Hi everyone, this is Fatale sir and I welcome you back to my YouTube channel. Well, today we are going to discuss in this video capitalization, their definition and how to use the capitalization in the grammar system. So let's start. Here we are going to discuss some rules of capitalization. Use a capital letter for the first letter word of every sentence. Second, the word I. Third, the name of the people. Fourth, the name of the streets, cities, states, and countries. Fifth number, the name of the places. Six, the names of days, months, and holidays. Seven, a person's initials. And eight number, the greeting and the closing of a letter. Now these are some rules of capitalization. We will discuss some of the rules more from the capitalization. So they are the first, that capitalize the first word to every sentence and every new line. Suppose you can glance on this picture. I got up early. This is one sentence, and the second sentence, then I went to school. Though if you looked properly, the first sentence of I, that is capital, and after the second sentence start, T is capital. It shows that the capitalization the first word of every sentence and every new lines. Okay, second, the capitalize the first word of the quoted sentence. Means the quoted sentence, I'll tell you how is it. See the sentence first of all. He said to her, and now this is quoted sentence, double inverted comma. That is, you betray my trust. So you is capital, means you must be remember one thing, that if the double inverted comma in the sentence, the first letter should be capital over there. Now we will go to the third number, capitalization rules. And the capitalization, the name of the people. If the name of the people it is there, the first letter should be capital. We have discussed in the first slide as well. Here you can see the more examples: Mary, John, Sam, and Susans, etc. Their first letters are capital. Now the fourth number, we will discuss capitalize the word derived from the proper nouns. That's the proper noun, always we write a capital letter. So I am headed to be the south this summer. Means south is an capital, means south is an proper noun, so you must be right, yes, it's capital over there. Now fifth number, the rules of capitalization. The capitalization, the capital of the street, cities, province, states, and countries. Just we have discussed these rules in the first slide as well, like Washington Street and the United Street. So these names should be the capital. First letter should be the capital of the street, yeah, countries and cities as well. Six number rules of capitalization. The capitalize the place and the specific location. If the specific location it is there, then you must be write the capital letter. So we will understood from the one more examples. I love studying English and history. So the English, if there is specific and word it is there, you can see that location has given. I love studying English. So the location has given specific location, that is English I learned. I love to learn English as well. Now seven number, the capitalize the name of the book, movies, art, and the articles, etc. See the return of Superman. So the R and yes, they are written in capital letter. 100 year of solitude, it's 1H. So the capitalized name of the books, if it is there, so you must be write the first letter of capital word. 8 number rule of capitalization. Capitalize the pronoun I. Means if the word is everywhere, you must be write capital I. My friend and I go to school together, so I must be a capital. 9 number, the capitalize and interjections and exclamation. If exclamation sentence is there or interjection it is there, so you must be write the capital. Oh, look, surprise, wow. So the word should be a capital of first letter. And the last rule, capitalize openings and closing of the letter. Dear Mary. So D is the capital and M is also the capital. So these are the capitalization rules. We easily understood about the capitalization and how we have to use in a grammar. So please try to read again and again and understood the capitalizations rules. Very simple are given and explanations in this slide. Please read properly. I have given worksheet in the last slide, so please solve the worksheet papers and comment in the comment box. I will reply your comment. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.